Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Patent Act and the patent rights. So this is a patent certificate given to a patentee. So patentee in the sense the person who had applied for the patent right is known as patentee. So this document gives us a lot of information. First let's go through the corners. The left corner gives us IP, that is intellectual property India, patents, designs, trademarks and geographical indications. Then later towards right we have SL number. This patent certificate is given by Government of India from the Patent Office. Here we have some information of patent number, application number, date of filing, patentee, etc. Here the date of filing is 13/1/2022 and the date of grant is 1/9/2022. It's approximately 8 months to give her a patent. During this time period there are many provisions going in the patent office which we'll discuss in our following videos. It is hereby certificated that a patent has been granted to the patentee for an invention entitled floating sustained release tablet formulation of droxidopa and method thereof, as disclosed in the above mentioned application for the term of 20 years from the 13th day of January 2022 in accordance with the provisions of the Patent Act 1970. If we come to this last part, here we have the stamp of the Patent Office, Government of India, the date of grant. Later here we have the controller of the patent, the signature of him. Here the note is that the fees for renewal of this patent, if it is to be maintained, will fall or has fallen due on 13th day of January 2024 and on the same day in every year thereafter. So this is about the patent certificate. Now let's shift into our actual topic for today. So we actually got a basic idea on what is a patent certificate and who is a patentee, etc. So now the concept would be crystal clear for us. So let's start. So what is patent and patent rights? Let's start. A patent is issued on application by a government office which describes an invention and confers a set of exclusive legal rights upon the inventor or owner of the patent to exclude others from commercially exploiting the invention. Under the Patent Act 1970, we define a term patent means a patent granted for a new process or product involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application. So, a patent does not confer a positive right authorizing the patentee to do something. It merely confers a negative right to exclude others. Now let's talk about the patent rights. Under the TRIPS agreement, Article 28, the rights conferred. Article 28(1) is a patent shall confer on its owner the following exclusive rights. Clause A says that where the subject matter of a patent is a product, to prevent third parties not having the owner's consent from the acts of making, using, offering for sale, selling or importing for these purposes that product. Under the Patent Act 1970, the Section 48, Rights of Patentee. A patent granted under this act shall confer upon the patentee. Clause A. Where the subject matter of the patent is a product, the exclusive right to prevent third parties who do not have his consent from the act of making, using, offering for sale, selling or importing for those purposes that product in India. Under TRIPS agreement, Article 28, the rights conferred. Article 28(1), Clause B says that where the subject matters of a patent is a process to prevent the third parties not having the owner's consent from the act of using the process and from the acts of using, offering for sale, selling or importing for these purposes at least the product obtained directly by that process. Article 28 of 2. Patent owners shall also have the right to assign or transfer by succession the patent and to conclude licensing contracts. Under the Patent Act 1970, the Section 48, Clause B, where the subject matter of the patent is a process, the exclusive right to prevent third parties who do not have his consent from the act of using that process and from the act of using, offering for sale, selling, or importing for those purposes the product obtained directly by that process in India. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.